so far away.
Seriously,
Just gonna try and grab it like that and twist. Recording?
Record! Oh, could you do it to a hot chick?
Fuck, I hope I could.
What about last time? Did we have Saviour on real loud?
I can't remember what song it was. Could have been further away.
Could have been closer.
Sorry about that.
You can't. I'm going back to Macca's.
She was mad.
No, okay. She always mad.
Thank you very much. See ya.
Weird.
Would have done it again.
Just driven straight off. What are you doing, Cam?
Left.